What's going on YouTube? Q back here again with another video for you. Today's video, I'm about to take the M2 to introduce you to my E34 535i. So I got a 1990 BMW that I brought up a few times on the channel but never formally introduced y'all. It's always been in the background, never drove it with y'all. I've owned that car for like 6 years now, so it's the car that I've owned for the longest out of all of my cars, and y'all never seen it, never even talked about it. So I'm about to introduce y'all today and tell y'all everything that's wrong with it and what it takes to get it back on the road. Let's fast forward to the car, but before we do that, cue the intro and then we'll go. Thank you for what?
We're giving you a nice birthday present, late birthday present.
I gave you a birthday present. Look what you did to it over here.
Hey, I ain't did nothing to it. It's still run.
This man got cars upon cars over here. He just want to be he got more cars than me.
Yeah, right.
I'm taking mine back though. He got this Escort wagon in here. That's his new ride. Showroom clean besides this scratches here. But yeah, that's pristine.
I ain't got but 70,000 miles on there. What you talking about? 70,000 miles?
Yeah, I said it's pristine.
Huh?
I said it's pristine.
Yeah.
What year is that?
1996.
Okay, that's just like the green one we had, wasn't it? You got a pickup truck like you about to do some work or something.
Yeah. I am. I am gonna do some work
this
spring.
Pretty boy, you don't do work.
I'm gonna clean the garage out, and I'm gonna run down the power back out there.
You can go ahead and check out my car. You can't drive it though, you know.
I can drive it. I can't drive it.
No.
I can drive it.
You lost those privileges.
Yeah,
you ain't driving it. No, you can't. That's forbidden.
Where the keys at?
I don't know. I don't know where the keys at. You asking the wrong questions.
Yeah. Where the keys at, man?
Don't slam my door against the house.
They ain't get to the house. I know they have to put the door against the house.
You don't even fit right in there.
Oh, man, this is down my line.
Yeah, no, it ain't.
It's right down my line.
You all right.
You did a good job, man. You got this exactly what I wanted.
Yeah, it is exactly what I wanted.
Exactly what I wanted, man.
Let me go check out this one over here. The one that needs the TLC. This is the 1995 35i on the flat tire. Battery dead. This man, I let him keep the car and he just neglected my baby. So I bought this when I bought my house. It got rust on it now, so I need to get that fixed. Some trim fell off. But it's still a good car. The engine runs strong. Kidney grill. So this is the old school BMW right here. So this is the second iteration. I think. I know the E28, that's the one I was looking for. But this is what I was able to get. The person was playing with the price. I don't even say BMW. That's a mine right there. Just went away. But yeah, let's get up inside. Man, my seats. My car. Yeah, let's get up in here. See, this is what happens when you let other people borrow your car. Got the trim missing on here. Tires look good though. So my handle in the front is broken, so we gotta go in through the back door. I'll get to your mom's house. Back door bandit. Got the wood grain on the doors. Power windows back here. Got an ashtray so you to put your smoking devices. No vaping in here. Need some restorer back here. The sun just took out all the color back there. Need a jump though back here. Let me open this front. My God, man. Oh, the Integra don't even got this. Got heat vents in the rear. Cigarette lighter back here. This used to be my daily, man. Switch coming out the window. Let me open this front door. So this was my daily drive when I had the Audi A5. I used to drive this to preserve miles on the Audi, but I had this car used to be more comfortable than the Audi, man. This was a great car. Man, where the keys at? You really want to drive? Hey, what you doing? Hey, you gotta hold on. You put that thing in neutral first.
What I ain't putting it in there? Them people park.
Take that gear up. Pull the brake up. You got. Nah,
you want me? You just want me to
you ain't about the rear end. There you go. Now pull the brake up.
For what? I ain't going nowhere. I got brakes in. I got my feet in.
I know. There you go. You gotta, you know what you doing?
What?
No, it ain't no crank up, man. You gotta push the button. It's the bottom button.
180.
Huh?
180.
180?
Yeah.
Yeah, you about to be doing 0, so you ain't gotta worry about how fast it goes.
That's right down my line.
No, you asking all the wrong questions today.
Yeah, that's right down my line. I gotta take it out on the expressway.
Well, we'll get you out another day.
You ain't gonna try to hide it from me.
Yeah, I'm gonna hide it from you. Back to this car over here. Like, everything is nice on here, man. Got the button back here to open the trunk. And these trunks are like electric actuated. The battery is dead. I gotta show y'all again another day. But like when you turn the key, you normally get in the car, you turn the key right here and it unlocks all the doors. But the battery's dead, so we just gotta get through the back door. All this junk in here. My seats, man, what is he, man? Man, you got some women coming up over here. Just, who did this? Man. Let me sit down up in here. Ugh. Oh, let me pop the hood. Shout out to Keith. Always curious to know what's going on under the hood. But man, all these BMW buttons here, I don't know what none of this crap does. So what I did, oh my God, where the shifter? What is all these? What? Shift knob is gone. It fell off once. I epoxied it on. Don't know where the shift knob is. Got the window switches down here. We don't have no power on this thing. Steering wheel is locked, but this thing, it needs a steering wheel box, so it's a lot of play in the steering wheel. So it's like when you're driving straight, it's loosey and it wiggles. But I need the key to be able to show y'all that, which the battery's dead. So got to come back over for that, and I got to pump up that tire. Tape deck. Where is my I had a cigarette lighter. I don't even remember. Oh, up in here. I used to do my wireless Bluetooth thing up in here, cigarette lighter. And yeah, this car was good to go, man. All these, look at that man back there pressing the gas. What you doing? But yeah, man, I want to get this thing back in tip-top shape. Just need to be reupholstered. I don't know what's up with this seat. But everything in here is power, man. My door, like, what the heck is this? So I got to get that reupholstered. Got a sunroof in here. This actually still works, but I try not to use it too much because these things be on their last leg trying to open sometimes. Jeez, old school BMW, like I'm paid in full. But yeah, man, this thing was my baby. Regular fuel only. Got about 17 miles a gallon on here. Let's pop the hood real quick. And you can't even see, like, is this glass or body color? Man, this thing look like a barbecue grill. Need another new paint job. It just had a paint job before I bought it. So this hood opens on here a little bit differently. Look at my tire, man. What a shame. So how I open this hood? So these hoods open from the front. I think you gotta like lift it up from here. Yep. And then probably animals living up in this thing. But yeah, it's got a big straight 6 up in here. 535 stands for 3.5 liter. I think it actually might be a 3.4 liter BMW. They strayed so far away from these numbers. But yeah, man, this thing runs strong. Got a new transmission. Throwout bearing went out once, and that was like 4 years ago. And then the trans went out last year. Recently got that repaired, but we need some front suspension work to get this thing on the road. Like, I wouldn't even drive it on public streets right now. So need some front suspension work. But yeah, the powertrain is good. Got like 240,000 miles on here. Smooth. That's what these inline 6s do. You gotta clean my car, man.
Man, look at him. You don't tell me what to do with my car.
Yeah. Got this looking good, but it's need a little bit of TLC.
Yeah, I know.
So what's up with the suspension? What needs to be fixed?
The suspension at the front end need to be doing.
With the
Yeah, tie rod ends and all of that. You know that body go all the way across. What they call it?
how you doing here like that?
It's already it's been like that for a while.
Sway bars or sway links or
yeah.
something?
Yeah.
And what fluid is it leaking? Is that a power steering fluid it was leaking?
Yeah, but it wasn't leaking last when I bought it in. But it was leaking.
Oh, okay.
Power steering, that right there.
Okay.
The engine ain't leaking nothing like that.
All right. That's all I want to see. Check the car out. We got to get the battery charged. You can't even pump the tire out.
Jump that battery off.
Man, I'm going to jump you off,
That
man.
battery brand new.
Gonna
That
get
battery
the,
lasts another 10 years.
I'm going to call the men of culture on you. You know who that is?
I don't know.
That's my squad of guys with Camaros, except for me.
Camaros.
Yeah, we the Camaro crew.
Yeah.
Race car friends, Blueprint,
Yeah.
and
Well.
100 Gang Nate. 100 Gang Nate gonna come and get you, man.
Yeah. They come over here. I got my boys waiting on them.
Nah. he got his boys right here. I'll be the first one to meet him.
Yeah.
I need a new paint job. This was it's like a blob of paint from the last owner that got the car repainted. Probably was a Mako job. It was in good condition though. It's still all right.
Well, this car, you do a little trim, love and care on it, it'd be like brand new.
Yeah, we definitely need to be cleaned up. What woman you had slicing my seats up?
Oh man, ain't no one slicing no seat. That seat was already sliced when you gave it to me.
No, it wasn't. My seats
it
was,
went AWOL.
My seats was pristine.
It went AWOL all the time, you know.
You threw the shift knob out the window?
Huh?
You throw the shift knob out the window?
Yeah, ain't no shift knob on there.
I did. I ain't
That thing was already was gone.
You was
See, I put a new trans in there, see?
Yeah. With no shift knob. I don't even know how to shut this here. What I do, slide it forward?
Yeah. What's wrong with you, man?
Yeah, I don't maintain
Right,
my...
yeah, there you go.
I don't do that.
Leave my cool open and everything to all the elements and stuff.
I came to show them the car and the battery, Dad.
Yeah.
That's classic BMW style with the 4 lights. But now I got to get on getting.
Yeah, I got to get this thing taken care of, see?
I'm gonna take care of it. Your job is done here.
Yeah.
This is the result of this.
Yeah.
I got to take it from you.
Yeah, okay.
You've been a bad dad.
Yeah.
Where you put my keys at,
In other
man?
words, you want to swap now, huh?
Don't be getting too comfortable.
Hey, you want to swap now, huh? That's what you
I'm
said.
taking both. BOFF, both.
You want to swap now, huh?
I'm gonna swap, all right. I'm gonna take this and leave you with nothing. Oh, my bumper cracked, man.
Hey, all right.
It's pretty decent for a car this age, and it's been driven in the wintertime. Just a little bit of rust coming around here, and this was painted over from the previous owner. Like I said, I owned this car like 6 years. So I just need a little TLC, nothing too extensive, but just to be polished up and taken away from this man. He got 2 cars down and
You
out.
think you're going to take away, go and polish it up so I can come and get my car back.
What car?
Yo, polish it up.
You banned, man. Ever since that Hellcat, you been banned. No, the Mustang. You might have been banned at the Hellcat too. You got this car rushing. When the last time you got a car wash, man?
My car's been sitting there for the whole winter.
No, you been abusing it. That's why I'm here to take it away. This summer we revitalizing it. It's gonna be a dream cruiser. It could be my daily driver. Count your days, Integra. But no, that's it. That's the 1990 BMW 535i E34 chassis. So they sold like 500,000 of these. These things used to sell a lot. And this car was like $50,000 in 1990. So when I register this car every year, this car is more expensive than all my other cars. Like $200, $200+ a year to register this thing, because it goes by the original sticker, which was $50,000. But that's all we got here today. Shout out to my dad here trying to steal my new car, but we took the keys from him, so we good now.
Yeah, don't worry about it. Hey, did you tell me that your dad don't need no keys?
Yeah, you do.
Don't worry, I'm from the old school. I don't need no keys. You go out there in the yard looking for your BMW, I'm going to leave a note, say I'll be back in about 30 hours or whatever. I'm going to drive south.
Nope.
I'm going to Alabama back.
No, not in this car. Neither one of my cars.
Yeah, I'm going to Alabama back. You don't know now how to drive it. Hey, you don't used to have a car, you can't drive it.
I can. I'm going to take this one down. I might drive to Florida soon.
Yeah.
You don't know.
Yeah.
But let me get out of here. Looking at these cars, we still got the 4 lights. They kind of kept that with the old school one, the kidney grill. I don't know about the new cars. Them kidney grills come all the way down. That's ugly. But this is probably one of the last good-looking BMWs.
How many miles you got on this one?
33,000.
33,000. Well, you ain't got no miles on it here.
Nope.
It's like brand new.
Yeah, it is.
It ain't brand new, but it's like brand new.
It's like brand new. Still under warranty. That's all I really cared about.
What's your warranty on this thing?
I think it's only like 4 years, 48,000 miles.
48,000?
Yeah.
36,000.
No, they both the same powertrain and basically the same on here. So it's 4 years, 48,000. German cars don't have those 5 years, 60,000, or it used to be GM used to have like 5 years, 100,000.
Extended warranty. You could have bought a warranty on this.
I don't keep cars long enough to need an extended warranty. Y'all know that.
For 100,000.
That's the only car I kept that long is that one. And now look at it.
What? You
That's what.
You ain't had that long. You ain't any car. That car, you ain't want to have that for a year or so.
I had this car for 6 years. This is what happened when I keep cars for too long. Or this is what happened when you let this man babysit your car. You got anything to say to the people?
No, tell them hello. Everything's all right. We're gonna get this fella between me and you. And one way or the other, you know.
Yep.
Yeah. If you want a real BMW, you just want to give me this make believe BMW. It'll be okay.
This the real deal. This one still got the straight 6.
Yeah. What?
The straight 6, the inline 6.
You got inline 6 in here?
Yeah, twin turbo though.
Yeah.
Yeah, my car fast. Yours? What I'm talking about? My car is fast, and my car is
fast. You know, don't be just sitting up there talking to the people in rollers and stuff. You know, your car fast, and mine is not as fast. You know what you're saying?
No, that car needed a supercharger on it to catch up.
You don't need no supercharger on that. That thing go down the road. We hit 160 before you look at it.
Yeah, right. That car can't even do 160.
Yeah,
okay. Loose steering wheel.
All right.
But let me get on out of here. And shout out to my friend Rich said hi to you. He always check on you. He got a GT350 that he saw you stalling all over the place.
Oh, yeah.
So he always asks about you. So
all right, tell him I say hello.
There we go. As always, don't forget to check out the channel. Shout out to my dad for being in the video and taking care of the car for me. And I'll catch you all in the next video. Peace out.